Location is important in most industries. It's definitely important in marketing. Where we used to have one location and just have a blanket message for everybody in the country, now we can have as many locations as we want. We can get really targeted with our messaging thanks to Google and Facebook and Yelp and pretty much everybody else in Silicon Valley. Which is nice for consumers because if it's near me, it's more likely to be relevant to me, especially when you add on all the other interests and online preferences that we know. So how do you wield the power of talking to your audience so specifically? Or do you? I mean, it could be a lot of work. No, of course not. You segment them like any self-respecting marketer. Here's an example. If you're a national restaurant chain, you may promote 2 for $20 in certain regions. Other regions may get 2 for $25 or maybe even $26. If you're in Dallas, maybe you're seeing a happy hour special. If you're in Boston, maybe it's a local brewery that's featured. Maybe you're in Kansas City and you scroll by this. I'm more likely to stop on that ad because it's relevant to me. By the way, pizza is delicious. If you need some help this year with your online targeting or message versioning, we'd be happy to help. Email us with any questions. We'll talk over coffee or beers. Or pizza. Do we have any of that pizza left?